Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us, we have Dasarte Yarnway. He is Head of Community and Financial Advisor of Altruist to discuss mistakes and milestones advisors face in their journey to intentional growth. Dasarte, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Hey, Jill. Nice to see you. Thank you.
You got it. What are some of the common challenges advisors are facing?
Well, I would boil it down into four common challenges. The first one is selling complexity. As I like to say, Jill, less is more when less does more. Some of the best investors that we know today are simple investors and can stick to a strategy for a long period of time. So I think advisors need to get simple with their clients so they understand the strategies and are able to feel confident with investing with them. The next thing is manual labor. A lot of advisors are spending a lot of time doing administrative tasks, which they don't have to do. If they employ some human capital plus some technology, that will free up some time for them to go and do their best work with their clients. One thing that we really talk about on our podcast, The Advisor Journey, is specialization over generalization, right? The more that you can become a subject matter expert to a specific group of clients, now they're seeking you out versus you seeking them out. And lastly is misaligned approach. I believe that everything has to align when you're trying to grow a firm, from the firm culture, to the client base, to the technology that you use. So those are four common pitfalls that I see advisors doing all the time.
What does it mean to grow intentionally as an advisor?
Yeah, I think, as I look back at my own financial advising career, I was growing or running a business that was fit for someone else. So when you think about the advisor and them being a practitioner, what type of business aligns with your life? What type of business aligns with your lifestyle? Do you find joy in serving the clients that you serve, right? So there are three things that I like advisors to think about as they begin to grow their business. Number one is an aligned client base. Who do you enjoy working with, right? Or do you just hate going into meetings on a day-to-day basis? The next thing is aligned service offering. I find that if you love working in equity compensation or love working with professional athletes, but you're stuck doing retirement planning, that's not a good service offering to offer, right? You're going to hate the job every day that you wake up to do it. And then lastly is firm culture. Who are you working with? Who are you working alongside? What does your firm stand for? So if you can align client base, align service offering, and align firm culture, I find that advisors grow intentionally and love the job.
So how does Altruist address some of the challenges facing today's independent advisors?
Yeah, there are a couple of things that I think we should address. First, I think there are a number of roadblocks when it comes to just the custodial landscape, right? So number one, custodians such as Schwab and some of the legacy custodians are competing for advisor clients, right? That's something that I think Altruist doesn't do. And Altruist, our mission is to help make financial advice more affordable and accessible for all. So by us giving advisors the technology that can make their practices more efficient, that empowers their clients to go out and build generational wealth, right? So easy things that we do, immediate account opening is super efficient for advisors to come and open accounts and go through the onboarding process, which a lot of clients fall off because it's just too difficult and too much friction to do. Advisor marketplace, right? So when it comes to managing portfolios, advisors can go on to the marketplace and pick which portfolio that they'd like to use. Fee billing, reporting, it's all there, and it makes the job way easier for advisors to grow and scale.
Outside of switching to an all-in-one platform like Altruist, what tools can advisors use to address and grow in an intentional way?
Yeah, I think that depends on the advisor's business, right? So if you have a firm offering, say for retirees, having a good financial planning software, a good CRM, right? A platform like Altruist that would allow you to fee bill, performance report, and manage portfolios seamlessly, giving your clients transparency through our mobile app. These are some table stakes for having a good business, right? If you have those things that allow you to better communicate with your clients, allow them to have transparency into your process, you're on the right track.
All right, Dasarte, I appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill. Take care.